The law of Moses, according to Paul's letter to the Galatians, reveals the corrupt and sinful work of the flesh and work the curse of death. But the Spirit, and that includes the law of God before the law of Moses, bring life through faith in Jesus, who took the curse of the law of Moses on himself. Jesus Christ, the manifestation of the Word made flesh, was able to keep the law of God in human nature because the law was engraved in his heart. He did not try to obey by instructions outside of himself written in stone. During Bible times, now and always, the Old Testament written word and the New Testament written word must collaborate with our present time manifest word, living word, and corporate word made alive and quickened in us by the Holy Spirit. Our hearts must obey the law of God as an act of worship. Only the Holy Spirit can help with this. Everything about God is woven into spirit word expression in different forms.